The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone.
Hi, I'm Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, and I am a financial educator in the space of helping you cultivate a healthy relationship with your money. One of the reasons why I started this YouTube channel was to create a space for me to share my journey as I moved through my process of getting out of debt. And I found myself in over $365,000 of debt before the age of 30. I was caught in the vicious cycle of paying bills, and amongst those bills were hefty debt payments. One of the reasons why I feel like it's so important for me to be transparent with my story is because I understand that I am not the only person who has gone through that very same state in which I was in. And so because I know that I am not the only one, I am sure that somebody is going to be looking for and wanting to see if there is a way out of their current situation. And I am here to be an example to show you all that there is room and space on the other side, but the other side starts with you making that choice. So once I realized that I was in a vicious cycle because that was all I knew, that is all I was taught, and that was the only thing that I knew how to do until I was exposed to something different. And that something different was all sparked by a simple exercise, of me comparing my year-to-date pay stub against my bank balances. And me looking at how much I've earned in terms of income in that particular year at that point in time, in comparison to my ending bank balances within that same month, I saw that the two were drastically different. And it shocked me because I had to ask myself, where did your earnings go? So when was the last time that you've asked yourself, where did your earnings go? Yes, we are in this world in order to survive. We are in this world in order to live our life. But at the same time, we have a certain sense of responsibility and we have a certain sense of needing to understand what our actions are creating for our lives. So have you been exposed to something new? Have you experienced a groundbreaking exercise that could allow you to get the epiphany that could transform your whole financial life? It may not be the exercise that I'm sharing with you. It may be something completely different. Are you willing to find out what that is? Are you willing to see what the other side of your situation today will look like? Because there is always room for transformation if you position yourself to experience and receive the transformation. So I am here to let you know that there will always be an alternative for you. What you are going through today is not your final outcome. What you are going through in your finances is not going to be what it's going to be every single day for the rest of your life, unless you choose to have it be that way. So I want to empower you to own your choice. I want to empower you to choose something differently. I want to empower you to incorporate the methods that you need to transform your financial life. So whether it be subscribing to this YouTube channel, whether it be indulging in one of the many playlists that I have on the channel, whether it be you tuning in every night for one of our live financial classes, the choice is yours. And as you get the information, as you get the knowledge, as you do the exercises, it's your responsibility to uphold your end of the bargain as a result of the revelations that you get after doing the work inside of this room. So here on the Debt Demolisher TV, we are here to uphold and uplift our journey as we transform our finances. And if you are just landing on this channel, if you are just landing in this space, I want to let you know that you are in the right place, only if you are willing to do the work. So may I ask you a question? Are you ready and are you willing to do the work? Are you ready and are you willing to make the choice to transform your financial outlook today? Because we are in a moment and we are in a season where it's only going to get tougher. And so your job now is to take action now while you now have this awareness to do so. Because it's not by happenstance that you landed on this video today. It's not by chance that you are watching this video in this moment.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia